Today's special guest is a wonderful, excellent woman to begin with. When I first spoke to her, I never felt that I'm speaking to her first time. So here comes Dr. T. Vasanti Lakshmi Ravi Kumar. Vasanti Madam is Honorable Doctorate in Social Work from Colombo University, Sri Lanka, other than many other degrees into her pocket. And going to her profile, she is founder of institute or an organization called Vasanta Lakshmi Charitable Foundation, which the slogan of this foundation is nurturing the unwanted lives with humanity through a touch of love and compassion, and reaching to people who are not reached to, and serving to people who are not served as of now. So these two things attracted me, and I thought I should get in touch with her and let us know more about her work, her about her achievements, and her journey, and of course the challenges. And a woman, if she thinks that she can do something or she wants to do something, she just need to take one step ahead, and the sky is the limit. So that is what is proved by Vasanti ma'am. So we'll talk to her today about her achievements and also about her trust and as well as her entire work that she has done as of now. So let me welcome her formally. Welcome to Diva session, ma'am.
Namaste. Thank you.
So first come first, please let us know a little bit about your background.
I'm Dr. Vasanta Lakshmi, but basically I am the Vasanta Lakshmi,
Okay.
daughter of one government servant
Uh-huh.
and having a wonderful childhood.
Mhm.
But fortunately, my parents taught me to have the empathy towards the people who are not that much fortunate, the less fortunate. So from at the age of my 8 years old, I started working for the community because of my parents. Then once I tasted, you know, इसको क्या कहते हैं एक बार एहसान ले लिया
Uh,
तो automatically once you taste the I mean the feeling which you get while giving to something
yes.
and somebody is praying you or praising you,
Yes.
it's an addiction, I can say. So I started from when I was 8 years old, and
Uh-huh.
later on I made myself that much capable enough because from my childhood I love Jhansi Lakshmi, Rani Rudrama. They are my role models because there is no gender discrimination. That's what I felt, and my parents also gave me the opportunity. So later on, I had a student leader. Then I got married to Dr. Ravi, and my two children both are doctors.
Uh-huh.
And so after getting married to Dr. Ravi, my spear was a little bit very much more
Uh,
because a big Vajrayuda happened into my hand.
uh,
So I started working for the community in a bigger manner.
correct.
So till now, more than 30 lakh lives got secured by our organization with our efforts and the services and everything.
Mhm.
And in Pan India, we are working.
Mm,
And my utmost care to the woman is
mm.
just to get it. I mean, you are rightly said that getting the woman to each other, that is the most wonderful thing. Where because usually we think that women are against women. No, not like that.
Yeah,
You
true.
need to, because a mother always she craves for their children
Yes,
because that is woman.
yes,
Nothing but woman is a mother.
yes,
Even for a small child, if you give her a small baby doll, how she nurtures, how she cares, how
correct.
she that kind of, who taught her?
Yes,
Naturally it will come. That
yeah,
is our inner strength. We are somewhere we are losing, and खो दिया है.
true,
So
true.
we need to know in our what are the womanhood and motherhood. So things will be wonderful. So that is what I am. So for all my work, I have been awarded, I have been respected, and I have been taunted sometimes.
Yes, 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 yes. Happens.
Because if you are doing good to somebody means definitely somewhere somebody is getting some kind of pinch.
Yes, true, true, true.
But when you are doing good, no need to look back.
Look back.
Go
You
ahead.
also, somewhere I saw that you are inspired by Swami Vivekananda from the childhood. And you
Absolutely.
says that that is your inspiration. So let us know what is that inspired you, that you felt like serving the community.
Yeah. Why? Because when I was some 10, 12 years old, I came across one of the books of Swami Vivekananda and the writer.
Hmm.
There is one saying,
Hmm.
he always speak about the youth and energy.
Yeah.
The youth is the future of the nation.
Yes.
So the person who wants to do something for the nation or something for the society or something for himself or herself, at the age of your youth, you should have the determination and you should groom yourself in such a way where you can feel that warmth of love from the society as well as the Almighty.
Right.
By being yourself only.
Yes.
So all those things made me to think, and my father, he made me to join the Ramakrishna mission when I was in the fourth standard. So we started going there and serving the people and listening to loads and loads of his own voice also by tape recorders and by all the mics and everything.
Yes.
So when I am just talking to my father, I just asked him, Papa, and why people are that much, saying great about Swami Vivekananda? What is he?
So great.
So my father said a simple and single word.
Yeah.
He lived only for 36 years.
Oh.
Swami Vivekananda.
Yes.
But after his death also, still people are taking his name and they're listening to his voice and making their own path under the guidance of his own vocabulary, because that is the character of Swami Vivekananda. The divinity power has chosen him to play the role so that he can be a role model to the younger generation.
True.
So if you want to become something good, we say no need to live for 100 years, then only will be get remembered by the people. Even though like a swan, maybe a small time you live with the values and with the good deeds, definitely you will be also. So just to follow the footsteps of Swami Vivekananda. And one more thing, for the people who are particularly Indians, for ourselves, our country is Bharatamata.
Yes.
Is the motherland.
Yes.
So who is the person who loves his mother or her mother should love their own motherland.
Land also.
Without motherland, there is nothing identity. We are fortunate that we are having our identity. But many people are there who are refugees, who are migrant. They don't have the identity. They know the value of identity. So we should have that value. All these values inculcated by my father through Swami Vivekananda speeches and essays and everything. So that's why I thought starting thinking like that. I have to live only 36 years. When I was a small kid, I have made my friend as I also need to live only 36 years like him, and I want to do something great. And by 36, I want to go away. But fortunately, still I am here.
And you are doing a great job still, and you will do it for longer. Now coming to a really sensitive topic, Vasantaka. See, all of us travel to various places by various mechanisms, and we also see small children coming to asking for help, begging alms on the streets, on the during the train journey, during the road journey. But normally what people do, they take out some cash and put it in their hands, or give something to eat. If they're a little bit more generous, they distribute uh, clothes or sweets on particular occasion, but nothing beyond that. But I see, especially your foundation has extensively worked on the street children rescue and rehabilitation program, and that is really a courageous job, because the mindset of those children is also not so easy to mold. So please let us know a little bit more about that.
Actually, you rightly said that the street children, particularly what they have been taught, because they never tasted the love. Only उन्होंने क्या देखा? All the people they used to say bad words, and even though they are getting a simple money, they are putting like a begging.
Yes.
They are treat them as a beggars.
Yes.
So they have come across all the kind of bad things in the world except the love.
Yes.
So when I come across, particularly, I just wanted to say one or two incidents.
Sure.
Because whenever I look at the street children,
Yeah.
I always try to make them to understand the value of life, not just because there is many years to go.
Yes.
In the beginning itself, you become a beggar or an unwanted person of this country.
Yes.
So later on, what you are going to become? You will become the unwanted person of this country as well as against the law. So before that, they have to understand the value of life, and they should have nurtured with them love and compassion, and if they are able to provide some kind of good education or good kind of trainings or vocational training, whatever it might be.
Better
If they are settled in economically, they are empowered.
Yes.
Definitely, they will become also. They also become good citizens of this country.
True.
So here, let me tell you.
Yeah.
When I started working for this, because I worked as a CWC chairman and member also.
Yes.
I mean, Child Welfare Committee.
Yes.
I've gone under the Ministry of WCD.
Yes.
For the security and safeguarding of the tiny lives of the children, especially it is made by the government.
Yeah.
But unfortunately or fortunately, the system is not that much, penetrated into the roots of the society. They will be sitting in four walls. So the ICDS department has to bring the children, and they have to put in front of us. So we need to take a decision for their rehabilitation or for their restoration, whatever it might be. But actually, being a social activist, being a human being, I can say, a good human, I can say.
Yes.
We want to go to the root cause of the, child labor or street children, whatever it might be.
Yes.
So I have come across, because when I was a CWC chairman, I used to take rides in the night time at around 1 to 1:30 or 1 to 3:30 in the midnight, along with the police. I mean, not the police means they will be in mufti, normal civil dress only.
Yes.
And along with the ICDS department as well as the other departments.
Okay.
And I used to go and visit the railway stations, platforms, bus stands, and everywhere where these kind of street children taking the whitener and putting themselves like a dead bodies.
Oh.
I have come across. So I used to rescue those children, and even I used to counsel myself. Even sometimes I have to become a mother to them.
Right.
Because sometimes for simple, silly reasons, they left their homes and they came, they are unable to go back because of, papa marega, mama. Only, we need to break the ice. That's it. The remaining, their family and everything is good. They are also crying. But these children, because of, some kind of manipulators will be there in between. उनकी जंगलों में फंस के वो यहाँ भी नहीं रह सकता और वहां भी नहीं जा सकता. इन बिटवीन वो भटकता रहेगा और जिंदगी बर्बाद करके चलेगा. So at that particular moments, I did, I played a vital role, and more than 600 to 700 children we have rescued within 3 years. And most of the children, I restored them with the family. मैं वहां पे भी गई थी और उनके पापा मम्मा से भी बात किया, और जो बच्चों को ये डी एडिक्शन के चाहिए थे, हम डी एडिक्शन भी उनको दिलाया. एंड जो गवर्नमेंट का सेक्टर पे जो लैकना है वो भी हमने सॉर्ट आउट कर दिया, ताकि गवर्नमेंट्स की जो अंडर स्कीम्स होते हैं, मे बी दे आर वेरी मच पुअर एनफ, दे डोंट हैव द मनी टू get educated. Yes, but the government system is there now to support. Yes. They don't know how to tap. But we used to play that role, and we used to connect those two links, which are totally, in two poles. We used to make the link and get the things done. So I am having really the wonderful happiness when I made all these children restored with the family. Yes. उनकी माँ बाप की जो आंखों में आंसू टपकते हैं ना, उसके सामने हीरे भी कम पड़ते हैं. बिल्कुल. That is the love that they showed, and they used to say that हमारे बच्चों के लिए आप देवता हो, यार जो भी है. But after that, I always feel that I did my job.
Hmm.
Being a mother, I
Hmm.
did my job. That now the child's family or the entire child's life is totally secured and safeguarded, so that आने वाला कल में एक भी बच्चा एक खतरनाक इंसान नहीं बनेगा ना.
नहीं बने.
Because when a family is there, they don't go through that kind of turmoils which a street child or उनकी मन में जो जाती है, क्योंकि क्या गलत है क्या सही है बताने वाला कोई नहीं होता, खिलाने वाला कोई नहीं होता, पूछने वाला भी नहीं होता है. जो भी रहेगा इन्हीं बच्चों के साथ कुछ ऐसे घटना घटेगी जैसा मेल चिल्ड्रन को भी रेप, इवन चाइल्ड रेप्स आर हैपनिंग. Not only the the girl child,
Yeah.
even the boys are facing
Yes.
this kind of nonsense
Atrocity, yes.
on the street because they are not having the secured family.
True.
So ऐसे लोग ना उनके साथ बदतमीजी कर रहे हैं और उनके साथ जबरदस्ती भी कर रहे हैं.
जी, जी.
और उनका बचपन ना they are making their childhood as a hell. So जो इंसान ऐसे गंदगी देखेगा वो बड़ा बन के क्या बनेगा?
क्या बनेगा? Right.
गंदा आदमी बनेगा ना.
True.
So this is one incident. Another incident, when I lost my mother in 2011, along with my brothers, I went to the burial ground to pay the final rituals of my mother.
I wanted to ask about that, especially to you. इसका कारण मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि I was discussing this with some of my friends, and I said none of us ever thought about this section of society, because when we go to crematoriums, first of all, we are not in our senses because we are in a very deep grief, and we don't even look after at that society which is day and night living in that place. And we never consider them as a human being, and we never think that they also need to live dignified life. Their children can also have a future. They can also have a normal life like you and me. We never thought of that. And I said, this is something I really want to ask Vasantaka, that what made you to think this, and how come you got into this, and what's your experience about it?
Actually, it's a very, very, very sensitive issue for me also.
Yes.
To think back also, because I lost my mother.
Yes, you
For
do.
a child, mother means a lot. Even though at the age of 40, I lost my mother, 39, 40. बट मैंने तो इतना रोया जैसा एक अनाथ बच्चे रोते हैं ना मेरे माँ बाप के लिए. क्योंकि मेरे मम्मा को मैं बोलती थी, मम्मा जब तक आप है हम बच्चे रहेंगे, जब आप नहीं रहेंगे हमको तो बड़े होना पड़ेगा और अनाथ होना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि मम्मा एक ऐसी जीवन में एक ऐसा इंसान होता है जो भी हमको चाहिए हम ना बोलते ही उनको समझ में आ जाते हैं उनको क्या चाहिए अभी. और ये पहला शब्द वो कभी भी हमको फोन करते हैं, पहला शब्द ये आती थी, खाना खाया?
जी.
वही होती है माँ. सारे लोग अपने अपने कामों के लिए फोन करते हैं और हमारे बच्चे सारे पिता और बड़े भाई छोटे भाई सारे लोग ना जो बोलना है नॉर्मली बोलते हैं, वो भी प्यार करते हैं, लेकिन माँ का प्यार कोई नहीं कर सकता. तो ये पहला एक ऐसी शब्द है जो हम बचपन से पहला शब्द हम बोलते हैं, वही मम्मा है. तो मैंने उस टाइम पे जो मम्मा को खोया, सो आई थॉट आई लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग. बट इवन देन मेरी मम्मा शी यूज्ड टू टेल मी, बेटा बेटी में कोई फर्क नहीं है. क्योंकि एक माँ जब जन्म देती है ना बच्चों को, शी नेवर लुक्स एट दैट व्हिच बेबी शी इज गिविंग बर्थ, whether male or female. So like that only she made me to feel myself great. And even though being a girl, I used to feel I am very much privileged because of my mother. So that kind of a wonderful lady my mother was. So when I lost her, I thought of I have to be daddy. When what are the values she used to inculcate? Correct. So I need to give it back. I need to उनके जो सीख हमने सीखा है उनके खड़े उतरना है जी. तो उसके लिए मैं किसी के इधर उधर नहीं देखा. मेरे तीनों भाई तीन तरफा कंधा दिया, चारों तरफ मैं देने के लिए आगे बढ़ी. तो पूरा फैमिली से भी इसके ऊपर बड़ा अपोजिशन आया. लेकिन I am such a kind of person. If I feel and if I believe what I am doing is good, I never look back. I never take my जो भी कदम मैंने आगे बढ़ाया उसमें पीछे नहीं हटा.
पीछे नहीं हटना जी.
कभी भी कोई भी होगा, whatever may be the situation, I never. Why? Because when I am doing good, I should not. I should have that much of confidence in my decision.
True.
Before taking a decision, I should think.
Yeah.
Once I have taken the decision, there is no need to feel or fear for anything.
Yes.
So मैंने आगे बढ़ाया कदम.
Yeah.
But fortunately, my husband, he supported me.
Lovely.
आपको क्या मन में आते हैं ना वो करो. आप समाज की परवाह मत करो क्योंकि you lost your mother. I know that what she means to you.
Yes.
So you want to give her final bid adieu. Just go ahead. I am with you. That's what he said to me. So I just went along with my mother. I never say my mother's dead body. And even now also I will say my mother. Because my mother is a mother. Even though her soul is not there, I mean, she may be rest in peace with the God. Yeah, for me, she's my mother.
Yes.
So मैंने उनको इतना अच्छी तरह सजाया because she was a wonderful and beautiful woman. Even after her death, I made her to look so beautiful. I made her everything such a wonderfully, decorated. So when we entered into the first time, because I have been in Nellore for the past 25 years at that time. I'm talking about 2011.
Right.
September 4th, my mother passed away.
Sure.
So I entered that. Before that, I never entered into the burial ground because Hindu burial ground के जाने के लिए मेरे को कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. नहीं जरूरत पड़ी.
नहीं जरूरत.
मैंने कभी भी वहां नहीं गई क्योंकि हमने सोचा है वहां पे मुर्दे होंगे, समाधि होंगे और कोई भी काट कापरी बोलते हैं ना वो लोग रहेंगे और कुछ नहीं रहेगा. मे भी गंदगी रहेगा. This much. Because I am not a person of that demons and all the kind of nonsense. I am not going to believe in all those things. But maybe some kind of dirtiness.
Yeah.
That's what in my mind. Nothing more than that.
Yeah.
Once I entered into that, what I have observed, because my mother, she passed away, my father was alive, na? So Punistri bolte hain na Hindi mein. So all of the people, all our relatives, उनके ऊपर इतना बड़ा साड़ी चढ़ाया, सिल्क का साड़ी चढ़ाया, गार्लैंड सब कुछ. और यहाँ पे एक ये रीति भी है जब हम उनको लेके जाते हैं फूलों के साथ पैसा भी मम्मा के शरीर में चढ़ाते हैं. So when we entered into that, what I have observed, all of a sudden some 30 to 40 children between the age group of from 3 to 15. All of a sudden they just pounded, just like I don't want to say that word, no. But जब वो हुआ ना, just like जंगली जानवर कूदते हैं ना, ऐसा बच्चे वो जो हम पैसा वहां ऊपर फेंक रहे हैं ना शव के ऊपर, वो लेके जाने के लिए आ रहे हैं. और जो कपड़े हम वहां से निकल रहे हैं वो सब लेके आने के लिए, जो शव के ऊपर जो मैंने देखा, जो हमारे अपने हैं. जब मम्मा का देहांत हुआ, इससे पहले चाची मम्मा ऐसा बोल कर पांव छूते थे, आशीर्वाद लेते थे. But when she passed away, they never dared enough to touch her also. But these children, they just pounded and just grabbing the saris and grabbing all the things. I was wondered, अरे ये बच्चे कहाँ से आया? What is happening? Even though I'm in a deep grief, I have seen. Then I have seen a 3 years boy who came forward and he is begging for some rupees from my elder brother. So and he ready to give some money. Then I stopped him. 3 साल का बच्चा, कहीं आप सपने भी नहीं सोच सकते हैं. वो 3 साल की बच्चा एक मदर एज वुमन को देखकर, क्योंकि मैंने उनको रोका, मेरे भैया को रोका मैंने, भैया पैसा मत दो. मैंने उनसे पूछा, बेटा तुम कहाँ रहते हो? तो वो दिखाया वहां दूर में एक कब्रिस्तान में जो ओल्ड स्टाइल कब्रें होते हैं, I mean जो समाधि होते हैं ना, वो इट विल बी लाइक ए मंडपम. They are living in that mandapa zone. That means on the samadhis only they are living. On the tombs, in between the tombs, on the tombs they are living.
Yes.
They are having the families there.
Yes.
That means the wonderful scene where you cannot see, here you can see.
Yeah.
एक तरफा आपको जलती हुए शव दिखेगा और एक तरफा एक नया जीवन भूमि पर आते हुए देख सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
But I have never dreamt that I can come across the such kind of scene.
Yes.
But all those kids are unhealthy. You know, they are all very smelly.
Yes.
Filthily, they are doing all the things like.
Yeah.
But I thought of, you know, मेरे अंदर का जो मानवता है वो जग गया है. Even though I am very much very well deep grief, मैंने मेरी मम्मा को ये वचन दिया, मम्मा जहाँ पे तुमको मैं रख रही हूँ, ये जीवन ऐसा मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी, ये जगह मैंने ऐसा नहीं छोड़ूंगी. तो मैंने अपने आप को ये शपथ लिया और वो बच्चे से कहा, बच्चा मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगी, आते हैं क्या? Then the 3 years old boy, looking at me, being this elderly woman, he said some filthy words, saying that पैसा देना है तो दे, नहीं तो जाओ. Such a गंदगी words he used to. अरे 3 साल के बच्चा इतने बड़े औरत को देख के ऐसा गंद शब्द बोल सकता है, वो बड़ा होके औरत के साथ क्या करेगा? जस्ट विचार करके देख लीजिए.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
उनकी गलती नहीं है. जो 3 साल बच्चा, एक्चुअली वो नॉर्मली 3 साल बच्चे का ना मम्मा की गोद में खाना आई मीन खिलाया जाता है हमारे यहाँ, इतना प्यार से लाड से,
इतना पैम्पर्ड.
लेकिन जहाँ पे वो पैदा हुआ, जहाँ का जो पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर ना उनको ऐसा बना दिया, 3 साल का बच्चा इतना गंदगी सीख लिया, तो आगे जाके क्या होगा? वो बात मेरे को इतना डर पैदा हुआ, तो मैंने वो वचन मम्मा को दे दिया. और उसी दिन से, एक दिन के लिए मैंने हमारा फैमिली को, डॉक्टर साहब को मना कर मम्मा के लिए गई, लेकिन अगले दिन से वहां एक टेंट बना के, आपको एक और बात कहूं, वो नॉर्मल शमशान घाट नहीं है. अच्छा. एक तरफा में पूरा कचरा, गार्बेज, ऑल म्युनिसिपल गार्बेज विल बी डंप्ड देयर, डंपिंग यार्ड बना के रखा हुआ है एक कोने पे. इसका मतलब आप सोच सकते हैं ना, पूरा गंदगी वहां पे होगा.
हाइजीन तो जीरो
के वो माइनस 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 चलिए. और दूसरी तरफा जस्ट बिसाइड्स द शमशान घाट स्लॉटर हाउस है, जो पशु को वध करके जो इनर पार्ट्स होते हैं ना, which is not useful for them, वो सब लाके यहाँ पे वो फेंक देता था ओपन. इसका मतलब you can see the insects all dirty, filthy, smelly, lot and loads of mosquitoes, viruses, everything. ये नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग, यू कैनॉट गो एंड स्टैंड देयर. आपको उल्टी आ जाती है, तुरंत आप ना बीमारी भी पड़ जाए. मैं भी पड़ा. इवन आफ्टर गोइंग देयर 1 or 2 days after, I got a lot of fever and all nonsense, everything. Even doctor साहब said to me, यार तू तो बीमार पड़ रहे हैं, don't go, we will send somebody to do all the things. मैंने कहा no, because when we went there, all those people, what I have observed there, let me tell you, 250 families are residing inside the burial ground. My goodness. 200 families. इसका मतलब क्या है? They are leading the lives as normal as like वहाँ पे pigs and dogs are there. जी. वही life. Yes. There's no difference. True. And they are having lots of, what can I say, all non-social elements are what we will say. जी. And वहाँ पे डकैती होती है, चेन स्नैचिंग होती है, prostitution होती है, child labor भी होती है, सब कुछ. Correct. What are we say that all the things which are not good for the society, everything is happening there. True. 3 साल का बच्चा भीख मांग के गुटखा खाता है, और 10 साल का बच्चा 8 साल से, भाई 10 साल 8 साल का बच्चा व्हाइटनर पीता है सेडेशन के लिए, और 15 साल का बच्चे से दारू पीता है. उसको तो और बच्ची के बच्ची को आप बताएंगे तो they are really what are the nonsense has to happen, everything is happening there. Even 15-16 साल की बच्ची माँ बन जाती है वहां पे. What else you can see? So I have totally observed along with my team. and I went to them and I talked to them, but they denied to come.
Yeah.
They denied to come and talk to me because they lost the entire confidence on the society, and the system, and even including NGOs.
Yes.
They lost everything.
Yes.
So what they said is, अम्मा हमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आप जाइए. आप जैसे लोगों हम 1000 दे के हैं, हमको नहीं चाहिए. लेकिन मैं भी जिद्दी हूँ, मैं ऐसे छोड़ने वाली थोड़ी हूँ. तो मैं भी बैठ गई वहां पे. उनको मेरे को देख देख के तरस आ गया, अरे ये बहुत बड़ा, क्योंकि वहां पे एक चीज मेरे को काम आई, दैट इज आई एम डॉक्टर रवि कुमार वाइफ, द डॉक्टर रवि कुमार वाइफ. वो सारे लोगों को जानते हैं क्योंकि बिकॉज इज ए वेल रिनाउंड पीडियाट्रिशियन.
आई सी.
तो वो बात मेरे को वहां काम आई. मैंने बताया, यार मैं तो एनजीओ नहीं हूँ, मैं कोई नेता नहीं हूँ, कोई गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर नहीं हूँ, मैं आप जैसे एक माँ हूँ, औरत हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाई वहां पे भी मैंने कंसंट्रेशन वुमेन के ऊपर किया. तो मैं वुमन को पकड़ा और उनके अंदर जो मातृत्व है ना, उसको मैंने जगा दिया. अरे तुम्हारे जीवन तो यहाँ गंदगी में चल रहे हैं, यहाँ पे भी आप लोग खत्म हो जाएंगे. आपके बच्चों को भी यही पीड़ा उठानी क्या? आपके अंदर माँ का दिल नहीं है क्या? तो उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर भड़का, मैडम हमको तो यही, कोई हमको घर नहीं देता, कोई हमको ये नहीं देता. इतना सारा लिस्ट आ गया मेरे पास. मैंने कहा ठीक है, मैं आपके लिए लड़ूंगी, लेकिन एक शर्त पर, जो मैं कहूंगी आपको करना है. उन्होंने सोचा मैं भी पैसा मांगूंगी अदर लोगों की तरह, तो हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. बोला, अरे यार तुमसे कोई पैसा थोड़ी मांग रही हूँ, जहां मैं कहती हूँ वहां पे आ जाइए. मैं जिनको यहाँ पे लेके आती हूँ उनके सामने जो आपका समस्या है वो बता दीजिए. आप वो जो भी सपोर्ट आप देना है दे दीजिए, बाकी मैं संभाल. क्योंकि जो आपका लीगल राइट्स है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने जो आपको दिया है, मैं वो सब आपको ला के दे, बट आपको मेरे साथ खड़े होना है एक नया जिंदगी के लिए. ऐसा मैंने 10-12 दिन उनके ऊपर, जैसा होता है ना ब्रेन वॉश कर करके एटलीस्ट आई कुड एबल टू गेट द सपोर्ट ऑफ द वुमन. ये करते करते वहां का जो लोकल वाला जो माफिया था ना, ये बच्चों को भीख मांगने के लिए देता था, छोटे बच्चों के लिए वहां ये सब करते थे ना, उन लोगों को ये लगता था ये मैडम चली जाएगी 10-15 दिन में, ये क्यों, कोई भी उनके काम आने वाला नहीं था. जब वो मेरी बात सुनना शुरू किया, वो लोग हमारे ऊपर हमला करना शुरू किया.
ओके.
वो दारू पी के हमारे ऊपर आते थे. हमारे तो पूरा स्टाफ मेनली लेडीज है, और हम तो अच्छे घर के हैं. तो मैंने ऐसा वो धमकी देगा तो हम डर जाएंगे. हमने तुरंत वहां का लोकल एसपी को जाके मिला, ये सब वीडियो शूट करके लेके गया. He was so astonished to see, मैडम ये नेल्लूर में हो रहा है. यस सर, नेल्लूर पे है. जो हमने ये वीडियो दिखाया, तो he was so shocked and what he said, अम्मा आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, सारे लोगों का अंदर डालूं? नो सर, अंदर डालने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ हमको सपोर्ट दे दीजिए. When we are there, you please keep some police with us and we will do it. So हमने वो कर दिया. So I made all the departments to march in that entire burial ground. उससे पहले जो लोग वहां रहते थे, उनको उनके पास सिर्फ वोटर आईडी कार्ड थे, बाकी कुछ नहीं था. ना रेशन कार्ड, ना आधार कार्ड, कुछ नहीं था.
और वो भी कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने दिया हुआ वोट बैंक.
एंड वंडरफुल थिंग इज व्हाट वो जो शमशान घाट में जो रहते हैं ना, उनका भी डोर नंबर लगा हुआ है.
करप्शन टू द कोर.
सो ये सब हुआ. तो मैंने and the one of the greatest thing what we did, achievement what we did is, even we have invited the DLSA, local, आपको तो पता है ना, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी, उन सारे जजेस को, लीगल एडवोकेट्स को वहां पे बुलाया शमशान घाट में. शमशान घाट में हमने लोक अदालत करवा दिया, क्योंकि ये सारे लोगों के ऊपर जो जो छोटी छोटी पेटी केसेस था ना, वो सब हम हटा दिया और उनको एक नया जिंदगी शुरू करने के लिए मौका दिलवा दिया. ये सब करने के बाद हम उनको SHG ग्रुप्स बनाया, वही महिलाओं को लेके, और वही शमशान घाट में बड़े बड़े जो मुर्दों का खबर है ना, बड़ा बड़ा वाला, उसके ऊपर स्विंग मशीन्स डाल के उनको सिलाई कढ़ाई वहां सिखाए शमशान घाट में. ये सब करने के बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा करके वो हमारे ऊपर बिलीव करना शुरू कर दिया। और हमारे डॉक्टर साहब ने डॉक्टर्स को, सारे लोगों को शमशान घाट में मेडिकल कैंप में हमने रखा, सारे लोगों का इलाज किया। सब कुछ करने के बाद हमको वो एक्सेप्ट करने लगा, जो मैं कह रही हूँ वो करने लगा। ये सब होने के बाद उनको हमने ये कार्ड्स भी दिलवाया, रेशन कार्ड्स। तब वो हैप्पी होके वो हमसे पूछा, मैडम हम क्या दे सकते हैं आपको? सिर्फ नमस्कार कर सकते हैं। मैंने बताया नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप दे सकते हैं। उन्होंने सोच में पड़ा रहे, ये भी असली रंग दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ मांगेगी। पहले तो बताया कुछ नहीं मांगूंगी, अभी तो ये मांग रही है, ऐसा सोच में पड़ा। लेकिन मैंने पूछा, बेटा तुम्हारा जो बच्चा है ना, वो हमको दे दो, मैं उनको पढ़ाऊंगी, सिखाऊंगी, अच्छे लोग बना के आपको दे देती। They said, it is impossible मैडम, वो बच्चे नहीं आएंगे, वो कभी हमारे बात ही नहीं सुनते, आपकी बात क्या सुनेंगे? तो मैंने बताया ठीक है, मेरे को एक मौका तो दो, ट्राई कर लेते हैं। Then they said, okay माँ, वो आएगा तो लेके जाइए, हमको कोई इतराज नहीं। तो मैंने एक ही आयुध उनके ऊपर यूज किया, बच्चों के ऊपर। क्या है बताइए? बच्चों के ऊपर मैंने एक वेपन यूज किया।
अच्छा,
क्या वेपन होगा?
मैं सरेंडर, मुझे नहीं पता।
वो है प्यार। अब तक उन्होंने जो टेस्ट नहीं किया है, सिर्फ प्यार, माँ का प्यार। तो मैंने उनको माँ का प्यार दिया। बच्चों को हर एक दिन लेके जाते थे, यहाँ से एक बड़ा वाला पुलिस वाला वैन लेके बच्चों को लेके, पुलिस वाला एक प्रेम सदन था, वहां पे बच्चों को बिठा के क्राफ्ट करवा दिया, नहा दिया अच्छी सोप से, अच्छा अच्छा बिरयानी खिला दिया, मूवीज दिखा दिया। बच्चों को इतना बाहर घुमाने के लिए लेके जाती थी मैं। ये सब करने के बाद बच्चे हमारा वश में आ गया। तो मैंने बच्चे को बताया, बच्चे मेरे साथ रहोगे तो ये सब होगा, रहोगे? तो उन्होंने कहा हाँ हाँ मैडम, हर एक संडे में आपको वापस यहाँ भिजवा देती हूँ, ये पूरा हफ्ता मेरे साथ रहना। मैंने कहा हाँ हाँ। तो हमने ऐसा करके लोकल पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट, क्योंकि जो पुलिस इनके खिलाफ था, वो सारे पुलिस को इकट्ठा करके with the help of the local SPs and at the time of the DGP sir also, everybody appreciated my efforts and they stood behind me. And वहाँ पे एक चाइल्ड एंड पुलिस वाला प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, 130 बच्चों को लेके उठाकर वहाँ पे अच्छी पढ़ाई सिखाई, सब कुछ दिया। अभी वही बच्चे, जो बच्चे स्कल्स एंड बोन से क्रिकेट खेलते, वो भी मैं आपको बताऊं। बच्चे ना, मानव की शरीर का जो हड्डियां होते हैं ना, बड़ा बड़ा हड्डियां, वो बैट होता है, स्टम्प्स वही होता है, और मानव का जो स्कल होता है ना, वही उनके लिए बाल। उसके साथ खेलते थे बच्चे, जो शव के ऊपर से गिराया हुआ फूल को पहनकर नाचते थे, और जो पिंड प्रदान करते हैं वो खाते थे। वही बच्चे अभी अच्छी तरह पढ़ रहे हैं, और उनमें एक बच्चा हाल ही में इंजीनियरिंग में भी ज्वाइन हो गया है, और 2-3 लड़कियां ये नर्सिंग में, GNM नर्सिंग और BSc नर्सिंग में भी ज्वाइन किया, और बाकी बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं। So the same children, they just made their life into a new beginning. भगवान की दया से इसके बीच में जो भी टूल था वो मैं बन गई।
बिल्कुल। और मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है आपके इस काम को अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए, एंड इट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज एंड एज यू राइटली सेड कंपैशन, क्योंकि जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि स्वामी जी ने कहा है, मैं भी रामकृष्ण आश्रम की फॉलोअर हूँ, मैं भी दीक्षार्थी हूँ, तो उन्होंने ये भी बोला है कि यू कैन नॉट टीच स्पिरिचुअलिटी एम्प्टी स्टमक।
Yes.
Unless you feed them and you satisfy them, you cannot make them understand the meaning of life and humanity. Acha, next question is, you have been awarded and felicitated on many platforms by many who's who. जब मैं कल आपका ब्रीफली होमवर्क कर रही थी आपके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में, तो मेरा स्क्रॉल डाउन हो रहा था और लिस्ट खत्म नहीं हो रहा था। तो आई एम श्योर द बेस्ट इज बाय ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट, बट anything that you want to specially point out that you feel this is the excellent appreciation I would remember all my life.
I mean, ये बात बताऊंगी तो सारे बाकी लोगों को तो I mean थोड़ा ये
No, no,
लगे
no. We appreciate everybody definitely.
बट एक्चुअली जो हमको हमारे वर्क को पहचाना और सम्मान किया और हमको आदर पूर्वक बातों से हमको और भी मोटिवेट किया, उन सारे लोगों के लिए हमारा धन्यवाद है.
Definitely.
बट एक्चुअली द बिगेस्ट थिंग व्हाट आई अचीव्ड before my mother passed away, because when I got married I was just graduate. Later on I did all my all education, like I made myself an advocate and I made myself a special teacher.
Yes.
And I made myself as a hospital administrator, all kind of.
Yes, yes.
But when I completed my advocacy, I mean lawyer degree,
Law education, huh?
वो जब पूरा गाउन सब कुछ पहनकर मेरी मम्मा के पास गई थी. She was on I mean before maybe some 3 years before her death.
Okay.
And at the time she was not well. So when I मम्मा मेरे हाथ में एक गोल्ड कलर का पेन दिया, उन्होंने मेरे से कहा, बच्चा तुम एक व्यक्तित्व लेके पैदा हुआ है और आपके पास एक लक्ष्य है. वो लक्ष्य ये होना चाहिए, जिनके पास ये जो कोर्ट कचहरी में लड़ने की ताकत नहीं है लेकिन लड़ने की वजह तो होता है ना, उनके लिए तुम ये एक कवच बन के रखो. दिस इज माय आशीर्वाद एंड माय एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम यू. ऐसा करके मेरे को एक पेन दिया और मैं उनकी हाथों से एक अच्छी तरह एक लेखा भी लिखी है, यही बात कहते हुए, because this is my blessings and best wishes for your future, like करके ये दे दिया. मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ा 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 वाला the best gift I ever received.
Yes.
And at the same time इसको I mean आने वाला कल में बदलते हुए, when we started working as an advocate and for the fighting for the rights of the women and children,
Yes.
we have rescued one girl from the red light area.
Okay.
And I have adopted her because she was totally drug addicted and she was addicted for many other things. I don't want to say on this platform also. She's addicted by all means.
Okay.
Even without a man she cannot sleep. That kind of addiction. A small girl, hardly she will be around 17-18 years. But she was into the business for the past 4 or 5 years. That means 13-14 years.
Yes.
Yes. And she was totally, they gave all kind of liquor and everything, and they made she was totally addicted. There also I just made myself a mother, and I used to keep her in my home itself. Because she doesn't want to stay in my Swadhar home, and she wanted to stay with me. मैं तुमको, मेरे को तुम करके बोलती, मैं तुमको पसंद करती हूँ, बाकी लोगों को नहीं. तुम्हारे साथ रहना है तो रहती हूँ, नहीं तो मैं भाग जाती. मेरे को रखना है, जाना है. But I used to, because after all it's a life, so I made her to be with me, and I have made her with my love only to go through the de-addiction and everything. And later on, after some 2 to 3 years, she had a lover in the past, and उनको ढूंढ के लाई हम, और उनसे उनका शादी में माँ बन के शादी धूमधाम से कराई. जब विदा होते होते मेरे से लिपट कर जब रोई और पूरा दुनिया के सामने वो कही, तुम्हारे जैसा माँ नहीं है और मेरा अगला जन्म होगा तो तुम्हारे कोख से जन्म लेना चाहती हूँ. That is the biggest award which I never and never had in my life.
True.
Till now.
Absolutely.
So those are moments, na? Yes. Really, because whether President of India appreciated our services, or Government of India, or the state governments, or many other great organizations, they said kudos to you, ma'am. Even Madan B. Lokur, Justice Madan B. Lokur, who was the CJ for our Andhra Pradesh High Court, he visited and he praised and he wrote about me with his own hands such a wonderful words. All these things are laurels. Okay, I accept. But which touched my heart. That girl who lost the entire, hopes in her life.
Correct.
And she is no more actually. Yeah, उनको ऐसा ही छोड़ दिया होगा तो maybe some 1 or 2 years she may be like that, and later on she would have been got AIDS or something, and
Definitely.
she will be no more. And
Definitely.
that girl,
Yeah.
she made herself into the new life, and while going back to her new life, she shared words.
Yes.
Made me to feel so great, because I want to be a mother to everybody. I don't look at you whether you are 30 years or 40 years, 80 years, because each and every woman is a mother. If you are able to keep your motherliness in you alive, all the good things will happen, falls into the right arenas.
Definitely.
So
Definitely.
biggest achievement which touches my heart.
Absolutely. And I think this is really, they call it thrilling experience that a completely destitute child, you gave her such a bright future, and you, in a real manner, showed her the motherhood and the compassion that everyone looks for. And very few fortunate one, as you said, get it. And we should have a value of it and respect for it, for our parents, because not all are as lucky as us. Last question. They say that behind every successful man there is a woman, but just now you said that behind your success there is a man, and that is Dr. Ravi Kumar. So special thanks to him through this medium. What is that you want to say to him?
Because he is my world, he is my love, he is my life, and he is my mentor, and he is my everything.
Yes.
Because whatever I am doing,
Yes.
that is with his hard-earned money.
Yes.
No, usually people will say, अरे पैसा को बर्बाद मत करो, क्यों वेस्ट करते हो यहाँ वहाँ. But he never said that. Whatever he earns, I used to, उसको चुरा चुरा के लेके जाती थी. क्या के चुराना मतलब 10 रुपए के बजाय 20 रुपए खर्च करती थी. But whatever he earns and what are I enter his hospital and all his services, मैं यहाँ यहाँ वहाँ यहाँ बच्चों को उठा के लेके आती थी. अरे इनको बचाओ, इनको बचाओ. He never said anything. अरे यहाँ पे हमको मेडिकल कैंप चाहिए, वहाँ पे हमको डॉक्टर्स चाहिए, यहाँ पे हमको पैसा चाहिए, यहाँ पे हमको गाड़ी चाहिए. He never said anything, but he said only one thing: please do take care of yourself, because if you are there, everything is there. If you are not there, nothing is there. So that's why my thanks to him. Thanks is a small word, but even then, I also use this platform to thank him from the bottom of my heart. And when I always say that for all the husbands, if they are able to understand their wife's mind, and if they are able to support, definitely the lovely combination will work together a lot. Because I also never neglected my family. I have done all the duties, because I already told both of my children have gave birth for 2 children. So those 2 children, they have become good citizens of this country.
Yes.
So being a mother, that is my first privilege, that I can say that
Yes.
I have done my
Yes.
duty in a better way.
Yes.
And I have taken care of my in-laws and my parents and all my own kith and kin also. I never neglected anybody.
Anyone.
Because if you are not good to your family, how you can be good to the society?
Others. Yes.
Yes. So first you do good to your family. Rest of things like ना, मेरे पापा बोलते थे, आपके पास 4 चपातियां हैं, रोटी हैं, आप 3 खा ले, एक तो किसी गरीब जरूरतमंद को दे दो, उनका जीवन बच जाएगा और आपका सेहत बन जाएगा. So this is the words of my father. Fortunately, I had all good people around me. भगवान की दया से, so मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ भगवान का भी. And my entire family. And see, even people like you, why you have to introduce people like us to the society? Nowadays everybody everything is commercialized.
Yes.
But even then you are trying to put yourself to portray those kind of people. I can say the unsung heroes. Okay. And you are making them to come onto the mainstream. and the other people will get initiated or inspired. So that is also a great job, and kudos to you also, dear, and may God bless you also. And the entire, even my children and my granddaughter and everybody is supporting and everybody is inspiring. And so for everybody, I will say a big thank you, and I love you everybody. And a simple tagline of my life is love is life. प्यार के ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है, प्यार के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं है. जो प्यार दिखाते हैं ना, जो सिनेमा में या इसमें, वो प्यार नहीं है. जब आप कोई भी चीज से टकराते हो, आपकी माँ का आवाज आती है, बेटा क्या हुआ, वो प्यार है. जब आप कोई भी चीज के लिए रोती हो, ये लेके देता है पापा, वो भी प्यार है. जब आप थक कर बैठ जाती हो, एक गिलास पानी देती है बेटी, वो भी प्यार है. जब आपको एक कंधा चाहिए रोने के लिए या कुछ बताने के लिए, जब वो हमारे लिए खड़े होता है ना, चाहे वो पति हो, चाहे वो फ्रेंड हो, चाहे हमारा रिलेटिव हो, जो भी हो, वो भी प्यार है. तो जस्ट चेरिश द लव इन द लाइफ एंड बी ए लवेबल creature of this world, and let everybody to live, not only the human beings, not only the girls or boys, the entire सृष्टि में जितना भगवान ने बनाया है, चाहे वो पशु हो, जानवर हो, जो भी हो, कीड़े मकोड़े हो, सबको जीने का हक है. Let us celebrate the love by becoming a good human and good living thing. That's what I wanted to tell to everybody, and for this wonderful opportunity. And I love you, dear, and I love everybody, and stay blessed.
This is the intention. We want to sensitize society, and we want them to think about the underprivileged section of our society, and also consider them as a human being, and look after their well-being as well.
And stay safe. Even at the time of corona also, we are able to get connected.
Yes.
So this media and everything also, it's a great platform.
Yes.
So kudos to everybody.
So as we say, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.